Yeah, what is good, everybody? I kind of wanted to come on over here and talk about the way I trade and what I look for going into the day. So let's get right into it. Don't want to waste nobody's time. First thing I obviously do is you have to go in with a plan. That's literally the main thing. You're not going in there to gamble. So I go every day into the market with a plan by analyzing the the higher time frame market sentiment. Basically, is like what is a higher time frame suggesting? Like, it's gonna definitely gonna give you a narrative for your bias. Number two, obviously the way I look at it is, are we bullish or bearish? Of course, in the range. Pretty simple. Don't overcomplicate it. As well as, are we in a premium or discount? As well as, are we making higher highs, higher lows, or lower highs? I don't even know how to make it like that. It doesn't really matter. Or low lows. So basically, yeah, honestly, and obviously you have to look. Just the main factor. This is what I almost missed. What clear draws are available? Yeah, obviously, as in, what do you have? You have other marker here. Previous day high, previous day low, uh, daily high. Oh, yeah, I've already put that, but previous month, previous week high, previous week low, previous month high, previous month low, um, session highs, and session lows. But when you're looking at this, when you look for like clear DOL, you have to look at it on a higher time frame aspect. So you're looking at number five on a 1 hour, on a 4 hour, on a daily, on a weekly, on a monthly. Those are gonna give you the higher time frame aspect of what price more than likely people want to do. And that's what we're looking for and going in for the day. So that's basically what I look for every day, as well as to the side. Another thing, obviously, you have to realize the market only does a couple things. Number one, hunts liquidity. Pretty easy. Rebalance. EQ is obviously the 50% range. And rebalance, inefficiencies. Well, inefficiencies where you see imbalances as well. As well as generate liquidity. Liquidity. That's basically it, honestly. For want to put that on there if you guys want a screenshot. Yeah, obviously when you get looking into market, you have to look what range are we in. It's pretty simple. And like what are we delivering off of? Delivering off a buy side, sell side, and if we have no type of delete this. If they both have been taken, obviously we want to assume that there will be accumulation. So when we accumulate, we're generating liquidity. When we generate liquidity, we want to see either we sweep that type of significant liquidity or we just wait for the following day and generate more liquidity for the next following day. That's pretty simple, honestly, and that's the way I look at it. Let's go in for it today at 10 o'clock. What I look for, obviously, is power 3. Open high low close or open low high close. Obviously, power 3 is a concept. It's obviously a concept that breaks down the candle ranges in a range. If we're not, I'm not trading dealing ranges. Dealing ranges is a pattern, A and D. Candle ranges is like the real thing, in my opinion. Like for PO3, open high low close or open low high close. Obviously, if we're bullish, looking for open low, high close, and if we're bearish, looking for open high, low close. But going in for today, I'm looking for open high, low close, as obviously we've been generating a bunch of low resistance at the lows. Obviously, disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish, have a bunch of low resistance at your stop, and generating more liquidity. We're looking for obviously, 15-minute chart, the open of 7:30. Mark out 7:30. Obviously, we open, trade higher. Anything above us that we want to trade into, to rebalance price, we have this 15-minute here as well. I'm not gonna mark that. Obviously you go on a daily chart. What range are we in? From the high to the low, doesn't really matter. Wait, whoa, wrong thing. From the high to the low, bro. From the high to the low. Obviously we're still in a premium. So in a premium, we're looking for shorts. In a discount, we're looking for longs. That's literally simple as it is, for real. Don't overcomplicate it. On the 4-hour chart, what P rays do we have to the left of us? We have order block, Blanco's candle, airport up move. But this is a 4-hour. We wouldn't 4 hours they tend to hold about. I'm kind of looking for a 15-minute, 30-minute. We have this PSP high as well. Low resistance. So we have equal lows here as well. Like this. Equal lows. It's a good draw. We have a bunch of imbalance. We want to rebalance. Equal highs we want to take. So obviously if we're bearish, I'm looking for open high. So I'm looking for open market to open and then rally, then take out a bunch of stops that went short on this displacing lower, to then give us displacement lower targeting all the low resistance as well. Direction wicks. We have a nice little imbalance to the left of us as well. 1 hour. As well as you can use, well, I use QT. It really does help me. Let's get right into it. I wouldn't even want to waste anybody's time. QT is obviously cycles. I use these 3 cycles. I use the 5-minute. I use the 90-minute cycle, daily cycle, weekly cycle, and monthly cycle. You have 90-minute cycle is a 5-minute chart, 5-minute time frame. The daily 15-minute time frame. Weekly cycle is the hourly, and the monthly cycle is the 4-hour time frame. Pretty simple. This really helps you, and you're looking at 3 assets, of course. You're looking at NQ, ES, and YM. That's it. All those 3 assets, they give you more of a visual. The way I look at it, obviously, I like to incorporate obviously time and price, because obviously price is fractal, of course. This is how I kind of trade my model: high time frame, PD array to a lower time frame, SMT, contra SMT. Matter of fact, daily imbalance, or any type of high time frame PD array to obviously a lower time frame array. That's the way I see it. So it's kind of like internal to external, external to internal. That's like how basically you guys could want to trade if you guys trade like that. But that's how I like to look at it. So yeah, obviously power threes obviously sell above opening price, the bears. Uh, that's about it. Obviously, let's get right into how the market traded today at 10 o'clock. I was bearish, generating a bunch of liquidity at the highs as well, waiting at 10 o'clock to open. Obviously, we have a bunch of resistance, so this will be my target. We don't need a bunch of PD arrays. Let's keep it simple. I want to see market obviously trade into this imbalance as well. Rebalance price, then deliver us to the downside. So I look at it on a 5-minute, 90-minute cycle. Anti-risk contracts. And you do have TCI, I use CISDs, ISDs as well. PSPs, obviously, in the 5-minute. You have contract SMT. You have daily contract SMT, as a matter of fact. Obviously, want to mark that out. Obviously, NQ takes the high in London, and ES fails to do so, meaning bearish. Where obviously ES takes no sort of liquidity, whereas an NQ takes all of the high resistance above, giving me more narrative that we want to trade lower. So I'm looking for entry at the low. So I'll be 10 o'clock. We have look on the high time frame, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3, 4, 5. Kind of lagging. There. It's 10 o'clock. Me, what I like to do, I like to mark 10 o'clock open. 10 o'clock is obviously here. Another thing, you have death candles. Obviously, price we want to retrace into them. As well as we have this death candle above. So we take death candle um close because there's no wick. We leave this wick available. So what I'm looking for is a nice displacement lower. As well as wick is ICSD. So we form a sequential SMT, form a daily sequential SMT at the high. Now I'm looking for displacement lower. For me personally, I would look for displacement lower. Like you see, you get a CISD as well. Where as well as you can look on a higher time frame as well. You get a 2 minute, you get a 3 minute. You get a nice little 3 minute inversion. Is it closed? Yeah, you see next candle closes. So obviously, look, it's really that simple. That's what I took. I took the trade off the inversion. I took the trade off the CIZ, my apologies. After we took out, we got another stop rate as well. I'm gonna go to YM, but that's too much for the screen. I did take a short position here. I did put a sell limit above. My buy, I was low resistance here as well. Targeting obviously doesn't really matter. The way I look at it, obviously you got the high. Targeting 2 to 1, which is amazing. You don't need that much. See how this plays out? Amazing. So basically, yeah, honestly, don't overcomplicate it. Adding time and obviously MMXM, market maker saw model. Obviously, we've been bullish this whole time. You guys can see. You already rebalanced the range. EQ. You guys can look at this here. We're showing a premium as well. Inside this 15-minute as well, 30-minute. Inside this hourly. It's a higher time frame array. This is 4 hours, but that's more than likely. That's how I kind of trade discretion as well. But that's it really. Definitely go in for the day with a sober mind. Any questions? Just contact me, text me. I'm always open for any questions, anything. I obviously do trade 3 types of variables, which is obviously MMXM, Po3, and bruh, and QT. That's what I like to look for. So yeah, obviously the MMX represents price, power of 3 is time and price is a mix of both, but QT refines everything of MMXM and power of 3. As well as obviously I use 4-hour PO3. Obviously this candle here. Open, looking for open, high, low, close. That's what we got, which is amazing. That's about it though. Really, that's simple. I mean, any questions, just contact me. I'm all ears. I have a free Discord down below. Any questions, contact me. But yeah, this week definitely, guys, is study. Back test definitely. Refine your model. Trade sober minded.